What's going on, guys? Dalton here with Garage 99, and today we're building a racing simulator. Because how many of you out there have wanted to build a racing simulator or buy one, but you didn't know what to do or where to start, and you couldn't afford the ones that the aftermarket companies make? Well, today I'm about to go over the build sheet. This is not my original creation. This is actually somebody else's. I'll put a link in the description below of what exactly it looks like or what you need. But essentially, that is what it's going to look like. As you can see, you got the chair stand, the steering wheel, and the pedal stand at the bottom. So I'm going to be going with you guys on this. Let's see. Here's a list of everything you need. These guys provide all this. They have a YouTube video and a forum sheet with all the information. So I'm going to be going over all this stuff. I had to load everything in that, so I couldn't get necessarily like the 8-footers. Essentially, you're going to need a bunch of 2x4s, a bunch of 1x1s, a shelf. I got a 6-foot shelf. That's the only thing I may need more of. They said an 8-foot shelf, but I can't fit that in my car. A bunch of 1 5/8 screws and 2.5 screws. Other than that, I have all the other tools I need. I've got sanders to finish it off. I've got a nice saw. I've got table clamps. It's pretty simple. If you got the time and you want a project, this is going to be fun. Let's see. Here's my Lowe's receipt. All in. This, I also have paint. I just didn't buy it. All in, we're at, looks like $35. Yeah. $35 and you get all this. You can probably build yourself a simulator. So I also bought this steering wheel. I got a Thrustmaster steering wheel and pedal setup. That should be here tomorrow. And then I still got to find a seat. I think I'm going to do either a Craigslist or a Marketplace thing and find something on the cheap that I can just mount to it. So there's only so much I'm going to be able to do today with this. I probably won't be able to do as much as I'd like because you have to get the seat to make sure the seat position's proper. You got to get the steering wheel to make sure that it sits right. The pedals should be obvious, and I'm going to try to make sure that the seat's adjustable, but I definitely want to make sure I have everything just right because I'm going to put my time and effort into this. The original video of the guys who built this, I actually just watched it. It's about a 40-minute video. They take their time and make sure their cuts are right, but they don't finish it right. And they say that in the video. I'm going to try and make this look as good as I can. I'm going to paint it just right. I'm going to get everything right. I've got a bunch of extra ABS plastic up on my rafters. I don't know if you guys can even see that. I'm going to cut little pieces and make everything finish nice and good. I'm going to try and close off any openings. I want it to try and look good. On top of their build, I'm going to add a shifter column so I can mount a shifter when I get one. And I'm going to attach a monitor to it. It's going to be an all-in-one system to where I don't have to rely on it being stationary. It can be mobile. You can put it in this corner of the room if you don't want it over there. If it's in the way, you can move it over there. It's going to be 100% stationary. I will be running this with an Xbox One or a PC. This is not a PlayStation build setup. However, this you can build with all three of them. I bought a Thrustmaster for an Xbox or PC. But yeah, I am going to start figuring everything out. Maybe time lapse it. Maybe I'll just come back to you guys. I don't know what I plan on doing yet. I think I'll just come back to you once I get everything cut to the way they want it cut. And then, yeah, I'll come back when that's done. Okay, so I finally made all the cuts. This is all the freaking mess I made. I got my 2 drills ready, one to pre-drill, one to put the screws in. Let me see if I can get this right. So, biggest 2x4s, we got 2 48 inchers, 2 32 inchers, 2 29s, 5 16.5 cross members, 2 14.5, and 4 4 3/4. Those are all the 2x4s you need. Then your 1.5 inch, you've got 2 16.5 inches, 1 16 3/4 inches, and 2 9.5 inches. And then these boards, like I was telling you before, I kind of didn't get enough. I should have got an 8-footer. You actually need 4 19 3/4. I only have 3, so I'm gonna probably go and get that tomorrow. But yeah, now I'm gonna start attaching it, and I'll get back to you after that. So it's been about 2 hours minimum, like maybe even 3, and this is what I have so far. So I've got the uprights, I've got the whole floor made, I reinforced anywhere I thought I needed to. I built it exactly how they said to. Like I said, I ran out of wood for the stand, but this is about how that stand would go. And then you'd be sitting here. So I'm gonna be making a piece of wood or something to come out of here for a TV stand, but I'll keep you guys updated. So we'll continue this tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. We should have something. Oh, we do. There it is. Knife, 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 knife. Need a knife. Knife? Knife. All right, guys. Here's the unboxing video, basically. Look at what we got here. Got the Thrustmaster. This is gonna make a great addition to this. Let me tell you. Let's get this thing out of here real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is day 2 of this video. I'm not sure if it'll be day 2 or episode 2, whatever it is. This is the unboxing video of our new steering wheel. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, it's so beautiful. Got the Thrustmaster force feedback. This thing is awesome. It's like locked in place right now. We also got another piece of wood to finish our racing sim. Wow, look at that. It's got really grippy sides. I think this is the TMX Pro. So it also comes with the all metal 3-pedal setup. This is so sweet. I don't know if you guys know much about Thrustmaster, but they are very high quality when it comes to their pedals. Wow. Okay, these feel like actual pedals. This has like very little resistance to it. This thing has lots of give to it, and this has a ton of resistance, like an actual brake pedal. That's crazy. Oh, it's got the all metal. It's got a nice satisfying click for upshifts and downshifts. Dang. So I'm gonna put all this back in here because I got more cutting to do. But we will mount this later on once we get that thing all set up. All right, so here it is in the home. It may not look like much from here, but this is my temporary seat. Got it all mounted up. It's all plugged in. It's all lit up. Got the pedals and everything. So we're just gonna test it with some Forza and see how that goes. All right, so we're jumping into Ford Focus RS. We're gonna see how that goes. It's gonna take some getting used to. Let's see if we got. Ah, there we go. Oh, okay. It's giving me some feedback. We can feel it fighting a little bit. Whoa. All right, so I went around the corner too fast, and I actually felt it fight me a lot. Well, it definitely fights you a lot. That's so weird. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna see if we can change some settings here. If it looks like I'm like hunched over, it's kind of because I am. I think the other seat is gonna be a lot lower, so I'm just kind of getting used to this one. So if I'm right, this. Okay, so check that out. As you're losing control, it will mimic what that's doing. Alright, we're gonna switch to the actually, let's switch to the Z06. This is a car that I want anyways, so maybe I should get used to driving a car like this. Yeah. Definitely see this thing really taking. This is very cool. This is a very manageable car too. It's snowing and I'm in a rear-wheel drive car. This is awesome. All right. Well, on that note, this is pretty cool. I'm actually very surprised at how much I'm enjoying this. It's just, it makes you feel like you're so much more interactive with the game, and I feel like, I mean, with the proper game, I feel like I could actually get some real racing experience out of this, and this is just a basic setup. I just got a really nice wheel. So, yeah, this will end episode 1. Once I get the seat and I start painting it, I think we'll come back and make another episode. So, peace out and keep turning those gears.